we first want to do is actually head over to discounts inside Shopify. We're going to go ahead and add a coupon into the abandoned cart emails and other areas emails for Klaviyo. So we're going to go ahead and select create discount. We're going to do amount off the order. You can also do buy X, get Y, free shipping, etc. But we're just going to do amount off the order. So we want to do a discount code. We don't want to do an automatic discount. We just want to do a discount code so we can track it, make it easier for us to use. So we'll go ahead and copy this. We're going to do a percentage discount. We're going to call it, I'm just going to put 10%. Sales channels, where do you want this kind of be visible and promoted, blah, blah. Leave these two blank, doesn't matter, because we're going to be putting this inside of Klaviyo, which will actually go into the abandoned cart flow that your customers will receive if they try to leave the basket. So, or the website. Minimum purchase requirements. It's always good to put in here minimum purchase just to have it so that they can't just get a discount. I would put in 20 bucks, 25 bucks, whatever. $25, all products. Customer eligibility, all customers. Maximum discount uses, limit one use per customer, because otherwise they'll keep trying to go to your site and then have you send the email flow and then use 25% every couple days when you or 10% off. All right, so can be combined with shipping discounts. We're going to leave that there. We could start it today, and we're not going to set an end date. We're going to go ahead and select save discount. Then we're going to head over to Klaviyo. So once we head over to Klaviyo, I'm going to go ahead and start from the beginning here. So we're going to get to the home page of Klaviyo here, and then once we're in, we're going to go to flows, right? Because you'll see it different when you log in there. But flows, abandoned cart flow, and in this particular instance, you have, someone starts to check out. You wait an hour. Did you leave something behind? You probably want to take a look at these and just review them to see what they look like. You got A/B testing on all these, so you are going to want to select one of them that's going to be the winner, right? The test will run until it is manually ended. So right now, these are actually set up as tests. You see this? So it's not even working correctly. So you have to choose a winner between these two to see which one is going to work for you. So what you do is you go ahead and click on one of them and then say, okay, do I want to use this email? Abandoned cart email test 1. You're going to want to change the name of that. And then you've got, Mahalo ni aloha, blah, blah, blah. You got your, stuff in here that says, thank you for choosing Miracle Botanicals. We know, and there's the way it looks right there. So what we want to do is we want to edit the email and add a discount code in here. So if you are going to use this, you're actually not even taking advantage of this. So you're losing all these emails that are going out to people. So someone set this up for you and then never chose a winner. You have to choose a winner in order for it to actually work to be live, right? So let's go to email. So edit and publish new test, continue current test, right? So you can say continue current test, click continue, and then you can get in here and you can make it. So thank you for choosing. We know these oils bring focus, calm energy while reducing stress and strengthening peace and beauty. These awesome testimonials. So you're going to want to actually put in the coupon code in here, as a, thank you. Please use the following coupon code. So we're not going to do it here because this is like the first one, but this is the idea, right? So let's say I finished all that off and I say, okay, it looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and select save and return. And now it's going to send me back to here. But what I really want to do is edit this last one. So here's really what we want to do is we want to have a wait an hour, send them an email, wait 4 hours, set up another email, right? And then the last one's going to have the coupon code in it. So we'll go ahead and edit this one. And again, you got the two A/B testing, so you're going to have to choose a winner here. So see which one you like better. Click on this, and you'll see the email here. And if you scroll down, you click on that one, and you'll see the email here. So see which one of these you like better, and then just select one and use it. Okay. So it says, we love plant medicines. You've selected, so edit email, continue current test. Continue. Help strengthen body, mind, plant fit, etc., etc., etc. It says, okay. Item profile, all your items are saved in your cart when you're ready. Complete your purchase, item product. So we have it, it'll show an actual product that's in their cart or the products that are in their cart. So what we want to do is we want to add Another little block here, we can just duplicate this if we want to. We'll just duplicate that. I'm going to take this image out. Actually, let me get rid of that. I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'll just drag this one up. Yeah. Drag that up there, and then we're going to change this right here. As a thank you for choosing Miracle Botanicals as your essential. We would like to offer you a 10% discount on your next order. Use coupon at checkout. Let's fix all that. Let's center it. Center that. Let's make it bigger. Heading 4, heading 1. There we go. So we'll make it. Thank you for choosing. We don't need it that big here. You get the idea though. So let's do heading 3. Thank you for choosing. 10% discount on your next order. You might want to, bold these and make it a color. Make it red. It's a standout color. Thank you for choosing. We would like to offer you and then put it on the next line. 10% discount on your next order. Discount your next order. There. Use coupon. All right, let's do this here. They're heading to bold. And let's grab this guy. Color red at checkout. Right. So now you've got them returning the cart, and then they're going to do something. Right. So I'm going to do save and return. So now that's only on one of the emails that's going out. So you're going to want to edit the other one as well. Okay, so you click on edit, and then it's going to take you into this thing. Click on B, and you'll have the B in here. So you're going to want to add it in there. So any of those you have in there. Now you'll see my who we got here. So I did set that up for 10% off, and that's going to run now. But you actually have to look at the actual analytics. So when you get in here and you start looking at the analytics for this particular abandoned series, 59%, open rates. So people are opening it, right? 48 and then 43. People skip it, 232, 223, 220. So a lot of people are skipping it as well, but you actually do have a pretty good open rate on those. And the click rate, 14,773. And that's the progression, 14,773, right? So let's go ahead and select exit. So now that one's set up. The other thing we want to do is if we go back to flows, you got welcome, you got the welcome flow, your abandoned cart flow. And then if you have campaigns that you're actually sending out, let's take a look at the templates and see if you have anything in here. Headache email, welcome, welcome. Okay, newsletter, abandoned cart, template, Mother's Day. So let's look at the one that is the latest one. So here's a headache email, welcome email for skin. Anyway, let's just take one and use it as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and clone one, and we'll call this essential oil product template. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click in here, essential oil product template. I'm not going to send this out to anybody, but I just want to show you is that you can actually add, here, let's go here, you can add product, right? So aloha, etc., blah, 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 blah. You can have all the info in here. You have a lot of info in this, right? So let's do it right here. So this here, Boom. And then what you want to do is, let's just go ahead and duplicate this just so I have something. So in here, we're going to have the products. I'll go here. I'm going to select this, throw that there. And then if you notice this, look, so I'm going to say this here. Products we think you will like. And it doesn't have to be anything based on their likes, right? So obviously we're going to go here, and then let's make it a little bit bigger. Normal to home, let's make the font a little bigger. 1920. Okay, so let's do that. And then in here, actually let me get rid of this. Let me see. Below. Okay, so anyway, so there's products we think you'll like, and then we'll take that little, does that one go up there? Let me see. There we go. Okay, so you can make this look however you want. So here's the content block right here. So if you click on this thing, it says configure product block, dynamic, showcase products using product feed, static, choose products. So choose products to show for all recipients. So you can do dynamic, and then it can actually feed from your website. You can go shop popular or whatever. I was just going to go ahead and select static, and then you can find products that you want to put in here. So if you want to put in here stuff that has to do with skin, right? So reverse the ages. So I'll say add products, and then it's going to go your categories here. So all categories, and then let me just type in skin. So essential oils for skincare. So let's grab that. So it gives me all the products here already. So I'll just select a couple. Let me do 3. Add products. And so now it's going to throw the products in here. Right? And then you can also click on the other things in here, and you could stylize the way the button, the button looks. You make it your green. Right? So make it a little green, stuff like that. Products we think you'll like, and then you can put a little text underneath that and above this stuff, right? Or you could feature a single product and do it exactly the same way I just did it, right? So, and then you'll stack it on mobile. So you can mess around and tinker around with the way it looks and everything and the styling and stuff. But if you start putting on here products we think you'll like, and then you start talking about more about your stuff, and then down here some more, it says right here, you're going to want to do it again. So you got a spacer. So let's go ahead and add another product. And then this one says, say for instance, I was talking about, should you use it above oils of skincare? Okay, so this one here, so let's do another one. Let's just grab one product. So in this case, we'll click on it, and then we're going to go static product, and we're going to grab a single product and put it in here. So we're just going to do skin care again. And I'll just, here, most popular skincare product, right? And so let's see here. I got all products, unlinked price. So here's items per row. See, that's why it's so small right there. So I'll just put 1. Let's do that. And then max image height, let's go ahead and increase that. Let's make this guy a little bit bigger. So let me just do like 300. There we go. So now we get a nice big image here, and you got the information. And you can put some more text in here too. Stack on mobile to home. You can mess around with this stuff. So once that stuff's in there, and you want to have a little information right here, it says recommended product, or you can, you're talking about these other products in here. You don't have to put every single product in here, just 1 or 2 or whatever, like today's recommended product, right? So you know what you're doing along the lines of marketing that way. So then we'll go ahead and select preview and test. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, it's all pretty, and here's my products we think you'll like. And then you got some more stuff, and you go down, and here's another product, and you go down. So that's how you want it to be, right? So I'm going to go ahead and send a test through, and you can make this look however you want, right? So I'm going to send a test. I'll put James. I'm going to hit send. Okay, and test sent successfully. I hit done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save and return to template. So now you'll have this essential oil template. You can mess around with it and click on the products in there and just edit that, or just duplicate it, clone it, and then use the same one, however you want to do it, right? So that's how you do it for that.